Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss maxima and minima of a function. You see, method is very simple. How to find the maxima? First step, whatever the given function are there, write the given function. Okay, that is the given function. Then second step, differentiate the function and equate to 0 and find the values. Find the values. You may get 1, 2, x1, x2 like that. Third step, again differentiate. Again differentiating. After differentiating, put the values x1, x2, x3, whatever you are getting. Suppose if we are getting f double dash x at the place x1 less than 0 means maximum. Maximum. F double dash x at x2 greater than 0 means minimum. Please make a note, less than 0 means maximum, greater than 0 means minimum. Don't get confused. Then what is minimum value? What is the same value x1, x2 we are putting in the given equation. Then we are finding the minimum or maximum value. It will be clear for us. If we go with some examples. Let's go with the example. Example number 1. Suppose find the maxima or minima of a function x cube minus 3x for all x belongs to real number. You see, what is our f of x? F of x is x cube minus 3x. So what we have to do for maxima or minima of a function, we have to do what we have to do f dash x equal to 0. So what is f dash x? What is f dash x? 3x square minus x equal to 0. 3x square minus x equal to 0. Taking 3 common, x square minus 1 equal to 0. So this implies 3 cannot be equal to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0. Adding plus 1 both the side, x square equal to 1. So x equal to plus or minus 1. We got two values. Now again differentiating, again differentiating with respect to x. F double dash x. Again, if you differentiate, it will be 3 to the 6. 6 we got it. That's it. Now, f double dash of plus 1 is there. Plus 1, if you take 6 into plus 1 is 6. Greater than 0, minimum value. Now, f double dash of minus 1, if you take 6 of minus 1, minus 6 less than 0, maximum value. Maximum. So its minimum value. Now you have to find its minimum value. What is minimum value? Minimum is x equal to plus 1. 1 equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1. So 1 cube is 1 minus 3 which is equal to minus 2. Now its maximum value f of minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 cube 3 into minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus plus minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So it maximum. See here we are getting confused. We are confused here. How it be possible? We will be thinking. Here we are thinking how it can be possible. Negative means maximum, positive means. Now you come to minimum value is -2. Maximum value is +2. Now it is clear for us. Okay, let's go for another problem. Same finding. So we did for algebraic equation. Now let me go for one more problem. One more polynomial problem. Suppose f of x equal to x minus 1, x plus 2 whole square. Find the maxima and minima of a function. And one more thing, please remember, a function can have more than one minima, more than one maxima. Minimas may come, maximas may come. That's why it is maxima and minima, not minimum or maximum of a function. Plural form is used. So what is our f of x? X minus 1, x plus 2 whole square. For maxima or minima, what we have? F dash x equal to 0. So f dash x equal to product rule, UV rule. So derivative of x is 1, so x minus 2 whole square as it is. Now x minus 1 as it is. What is this? Power function into x plus 2. Okay. For maxima and minima, for maxima and minima, f dash x equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So we can take x plus 2 common. So here we are left with x plus 2, 2 times of x minus equal to 0. So, x plus 2, this is x plus 2 plus 2x minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 getting cancelled. X plus x is 3x into x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 2. X minus 2. So we got two values. And one more thing, 3 cannot be equal to 0. So we are not taking consider 3. It comes under 0 divisors. A b equal to 0, either a equal to 0, b equal to 0. I will make another video about 0 divisors. It is in degree classes, not for intermediate things. So we'll discuss, no worry. So for time being, remember, we got two values, x equal to 0, x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2. Now what we are doing? We are now finding f dash x, f double dash x. What is this? Is f dash x is. Already we have done f dash x. F double dash x, f double dash x we have to do. This will be 2 times x plus 2, this part. This is again UV rule. 2 as it is x minus 1 plus 2 as it is x plus 2. F double dash x. We got this thing. Okay. So for maxima and minima, f double dash x, we have to find this thing. So f double dash of 0 I have to do. 2 times 0 plus 2, 0 minus 1, 2 times 0 plus 2. This is 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 plus 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 is greater than 0. So it is minimum. Greater than 0 means minimum, less than 0 is maximum. Therefore, so now f double dash of minus 2. We have to find minus 2. 2 times of minus 2 plus 2. 2 times of minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 times of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, this part is 0. Minus 2 plus 2, this part is 0. So f double dash of minus 2 is, you see, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6 less than 0. Less than 0 means maximum. So it minimum value. Minimum. Minimum value. Minimum value is, what is this minimum value? What is its minimum value? Putting in the given equation. F of 0. This is minimum value is where it is minimum at 0. So f of 0 equal to 0 minus 1, 0 plus 2 whole square. So minus 1, 2 square is 4, minus 4. Minimum value is minus 4. Now it's maximum value. Maximum value. So what is maximum value? What we got? Minus 2. What is the function? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 square. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 square is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So the maximum value is 0. Minimum value is negative 4. Negative 4. Negative 4 is much less than 4. Less than 0. Please make a note. 0 is greater than any positive or negative number. Whatever be the number, it will be greater. That's it. We have done polynomial, one algebraic equation, one I will go with the exponential equation. Finding maxima minima of a function. F of x equal to x square e to the power of 3x. 3x for all x belongs to real numbers. Same finding maxima minima for maxima and minima of a function f dash x equal to 0. So what is f dash x? This is UV rule. 2x square e to the power of 3x. UV, derivative of u is 2x square, 3x as it is. X square as it is. E to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. For maxima and minima, f dash x equal to 0. What are the common things you can take? Common things, you see, if we are equating x square, so what will be? Am I right? X square is there. If you differentiate x square, 2x is there, not x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2x. So now what we are doing, we are taking x e to the 3x common we are taking. So what is left? Plus 2 is left. What is left? E to the power of 3x you have taken. So 3x equal to 0. Now product of 3 number equal to the a dot b dot c equal to 0. A equal to 0, b equal to 0 or c equal to 0. So now this implies x equal to 0, e to the power of 3x cannot be equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 2 by 3. So therefore what are the values are there? x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2 by 3. Now what we are doing again what we have to do, again differentiating. UVW rule. So f double dash x. Again differentiating this one. F of, again differentiating 1. So again it will be 2 UV rule, here also UV rule, here also UV rule. So 2 as it is, derivative of x is 1, so e to the power of 3x as it is. Then x as it is, e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. Plus 3 outside. Now x square is 2x e to the power of 3x as it is. X square as it is, e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. Okay? This thing. Now, you see everywhere e to the power of 3x is there. First, take e to the power of 3x outside. We will be a little bit, we will not be confused. So, e to the power of 3x, if you take 2 is left. 2 times 3 is 6, 6x. 2 times 3 is 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. 9x square. So, this is e to the power of 3x, 9x square plus 12x plus 2 equal to 2. F double dash x. That's it. We got f double dash x. Now our problem is putting x equal to 0, x equal to minus 2 by 3. That's all. Now f of 0. We have two values. X equal to 0 if we substitute f double dash of 0. You see 0, 0. So what is left? What is left? 2 times e to the power of 3 into 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. The e to the power of 0 is, you see 3 into 0 is 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So just we get 2. 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, minimum value. Function is minimum. Now you take x equal to, here I will take x equal to minus 2 by 3. So f double dash minus 2 by 3 equal to e to the power of 3 into minus 2 by 3 getting cancelled. So e to the power of minus x square. 9 into minus 2 by 3 whole square. 12 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So this will be 9 into 4 by 9. You see 2 square is 4. So minus become plus. 9 9 getting cancelled. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. And 4 times 2 is 8. And plus 2. So e to the power of minus 2. 4 minus 8 plus 2 is minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 by e. Minus 2 by minus 2 by e square. It is minus is positive means minimum, negative means maximum. It is a negative money, less than 0. Therefore, maximum, the function is maximum. So maximum value and minimum value we have to find. Maximum value and minimum value we have to find. So f of x equal to x square e to the power of 3x. So f of 0 we have got. 0 square e to the power of 0. E to the power of 3 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0. So therefore minimum value. Now f of minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 whole square e to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3. Getting cancelled. This is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 e square. So this is less than 0. E minus this is maximum value. Maximum value. This is maximum value. And this is minimum value. Am I right? So this is one exponential we have done. One algebraic we have done. And one more problem. I'll go with the trigonometry problem. We'll go with the trigonometry one. Suppose this problem f of x equal to sin x plus cos x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So for maxima and minima, same function. For maxima and minima, same rule. F dash x equal to 0. So f dash x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x equal to 0. Sin x equal to cos x. You see, sin x is equal to cos x is possible only at theta equal to 45 degrees, pi by 4 or 45 degrees. F dash x equal to 0, theta equal to 45 degrees. So if we go for f double dash x, cos will be minus sin x minus cos x equal to 0. So the given interval is 0 to pi. So therefore f of 0 is cos 0 plus sin 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Answer is 1. Suppose f of pi is there. Cos pi plus sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. This is minus. Next, one more value we have. F of pi by 4 is sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by 2 by root 2 are just root. So therefore minimum value is minus 1 and maximum value is 1 minus 1 root 2. Maximum value is root. That's it. Maxima and minima of a function for taking trigonometric ratios. And one more problem I want to do. One more problem. There are so many maxima minima problem is there, but I am only showing the concept. When I do a previous question papers, I will solve all the problems. Find two positive integers whose sum is 16 and the sum of their square is minimum. See, let the two numbers be x and y. What he is saying? What he want to say? Sum is 16. The sum of two numbers is 16. That means x plus y equal to 16. And what is square is minimum. Square. X square plus y square is minimum. He has only given. So x square plus what is y? Can I write y equal to 16 minus x from here? So 16 minus x whole square. Call it this as the function f of x. Now here, see here, f of x equal to x square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is our function. So f of x equal to 2x square minus 32x plus 256. Now if we go for f dash x, 4x minus 32. This constant is 0. So f dash x equal to 0 is 4x minus 32 equal to 0. 4x equal to 32 dividing by 4 both the side, x equal to 8. So this implies x equal to 8. X equal to 8 we got. Now we'll go f double dash x. f double dash x is just 4. 4 is greater than 0. The greater than 0 means minimum value. In the problem he has given. So minimum value means when x equal to 8, x plus y equal to 16. So x equal to 8 if we apply, so y is also 16. So both the numbers are equal numbers. When the two numbers are equal, their value will be minimum. X square plus y square will be minimum when both the numbers are equal numbers. That the meaning that the we got that from there. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Please do subscribe and share with your friend. And let me know which topic, which questions you want me to discuss. This only I am making videos for clearing the concept, basic concept for everything. See, hundreds of videos are there on my channel. For every concept, I made one video and the variation. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.